In this video, we'll show how to install our track bar for the Jeep Wrangler. Included in the kit, we have a page with precautions, a bag of grease fittings, and the track bar. And here are the tools we'll need to install the track bar. We have a large torque wrench, an electric impact wrench, a large 21mm short socket, a large short extension, a 10mm opened-end wrench, a 21mm opened-end wrench, a large adjustable crescent wrench, and a Vernier Caliper for precision measurement. Let's start the installation. First, we're going to lift the vehicle. Using the 21mm wrench, along with the 21mm socket on the impact, we're going to remove the left track bar bolt. Now, using the 21mm wrench again, along with the 21mm socket and extension bar on the impact, we're going to remove the right track bar bolt. Now we can remove the track bar from the vehicle. Before installing the new track bar, we need to adjust the track bar length to match the old one. We're using the large adjustable crescent wrench and opening it to 43mm. Now we can loosen the track bar nut. Next, adjust the length to match the length of the old track bar. After adjusting, use the Vernier Caliper to make sure the lengths match. After confirming the lengths are the same, use the adjustable crescent wrench to tighten the lock nut. Now we can begin installation of the new track bar. First, we need to install the dust cap onto the grease fitting, and then thread in the grease fitting. Then tighten the grease fitting using the 10mm wrench. And finally, put the dust cap over the fitting. And repeat the exact same process for the grease fitting on the other end of the track bar. Now we're ready to install the track bar on the vehicle. First, we need to align the mounting holes. Then, install the track bar bolt and the nut. Align the other holes and install the other bolt. And then thread on the nut. We're using the 21mm wrench along with the 21mm socket and extension on the impact to tighten the right track bar bolt. We're using the 21mm wrench along with just the 21mm sockets on the impact to tighten the left track bar bolt. Now we have the 21mm socket and extension on the large torque wrench, and we're going to use this to torque the right track bar bolt
to 175 Newton meters, or 125 foot-pounds.
Once again, we have the 21mm socket and extension on the torque wrench, and we're also going to tighten the left track bar bolt
to 175 Newton meters, or 125 foot-pounds.